Alright, this is my computer screen, and I am just trying to see how the sound quality is. I'm going to stand over next to a fan and see if you can hear me well with this mic attached to me. I'm using the different mic, which is not the same mic as I normally would use. Let me just set that here real quick. Wow. Okay, and then I'll stand over here by the fan. And this is in linear mode. So I just want to make sure you can hear me. I'll be right next to the fan. See if you can hear me here with the fan here. Get back down next to the fan. You should be able to hear me pretty loud and clear. Linear mode, I want to see kind of how the linear mode is. That'll do it. Alright. Unplug the mic and see what the difference is as far as without the mic. Can you hear me? I'm stalking close to the GoPro without the mic. Is it sound as quality is good? Quality is with the mic.